Mom, please enjoy this volcano presentation. Ready, Dad?
Ready. Mom, we gotta climb the volcano. Listen to my words before you say no. They're really not scary. In fact, they're pretty neat. Definitely dangerous, but we can take the heat. Deep under the Earth's crust, magma. You see it with the satellite camera. We listen to predictions from the scientists. You get a lot of tools when you're a volcanologist, like a seismograph to measure earthquakes, so we will know if the earth shakes and if magma breaks the surface. You might see a lava flow, but don't get nervous. Goggles on to keep our eyes protected. Lava-proof sneakers I invented. We're hiking to the crater, steaming at the top. Man, it really looks like it's about to pop. Wait, stop. Hey, something just fogged my glasses, and I smell peculiar gases. Did I just hear a rumble as the ground beneath us starts to crumble? Mom, and now we're racing down the mountain. Please ignore the giant lava fountain. Maybe we'll get lucky, we can catch a ride safely in the helicopter down the other side. Still, I have to say, though, it's always fun to climb.